Have you ever wondered what really goes on inside your goats' bellies? I mean, deep inside in that first stomach, the rumen, where the magic happens? Turns out it's not just digestion, it's a whole revolution, and it could change the way you keep goats for good. Inside every goat's rumen lives an entire universe of tiny microbes, bacteria, fungi, little protozoa, all working like a hidden organ. These guys break down tough plants your goats eat, turning dry bush and tough acacia pods into real energy. Think of them as your silent farm workers, digesting what your goats alone couldn't handle. Why does this matter? Well, fresh research, some right here in Africa, shows that healthy rumen microbes mean goats get more out of every mouthful. In drought-prone areas, that's gold. For example, one Egyptian study found goats with more fiber-loving bacteria turned feed into meat and milk faster, and even puffed out less methane. So, a happy gut means better growth and a cleaner environment. But it's not just about food. These microbes actually help train your goat's immune system. A diverse gut community helps protect kids from scour and keeps their bellies strong. In fact, researchers gave young goats a probiotic, basically live good bacteria, and saw fewer cases of diarrhea and stronger gut lining. The difference was clear in the kids' health and even their droppings. So, how can you use this science on your farm? Probiotics are a practical way. That's things like fermented feeds or even yogurt-like cultures. Farmers in Asia and the Middle East use these to keep goats' guts balanced and productive. And in East Africa, giving goats a bit of fermented molasses or using locally made probiotic mixes is showing real promise for faster growth and less sickness. But remember, what you feed your goats decides which microbes thrive. High-fiber diets boost fiber digesters. Feed too much grain and you risk gut imbalance. Adding browse with tannins like caliandra in moderation might knock back some bad bugs and worms. Variety is key. Mix grass with browse, swap in some prebiotic-rich feeds, and you'll grow a stronger, more resilient rumen. Excitingly, Kenyan scientists are now mapping the gut microbes of local goat breeds and finding they're uniquely adapted to our dry season forages. One day soon, we might have custom probiotic mixes just for African goats, or simple field kits to check rumen health on the go. So here's what I'm saying. In this microbiome revolution, don't just feed the goat, feed the microbes. Embrace gradual diet changes, experiment with probiotics or fermented feeds, and above all, keep variety in their diet. The invisible world inside your goats is the secret to better health, growth, and resilience. Let's put these tiny rumen allies to work and see those invisible gains turn into real results on your farm.